Hello, how you doing? Gonna make a really simple, basic cream sauce mushroom pasta today. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so it's very simple this. So what we've got is some mushrooms. I've just cut mine up quite small like that. There's about 200 grams there, or just under 3 cups. Cream, now I'm using a thick cream. You can use thick or thin, it will make no difference whatsoever. There's 2 cups of a thick cream there, but like I say, if you're gonna use a single, what we call in the UK, a runny cream, no problem. Half a cup of onion, half a cup of Parmesan, that's a shaving one there. You can use a kind of grated if you want. A tablespoon of garlic and a teaspoon of one of those kind of mixed Italian herbs. You know, it's kind of oregano, thyme, basil, marjoram sort of stuff. If you want, just use some oregano or something like that. Pasta, so get your pasta ready. We're not going to concentrate on that at all. 3 cups here. I'm using fusilli today, but of course, any pasta works, doesn't it? So in my pan there, I've got some oil. I'm using olive oil. Use a different oil if you want. I've got a couple of tablespoons. We're going to drop in that little bit of onion, just half a cup of onion. About a tablespoon of chopped garlic, in that goes. I'm going to add some salt now. And some black pepper. I've just put that heat on, so it's above medium. We're going to go for just 3 minutes. Fabulous stuff. Mushroom time, so a couple of 100 grams of mushrooms, or just under 3 cups. You can see that I've cut mine in that kind of way. Slice them up if you want. And again, we're going to go just for 3 or 4 more minutes, stirring fairly often. Nearly done. This is so easy. Let's just drop that little kind of mixed herb in there. Then I'm going to go for our cream. Like I say, thick or thin makes no difference really. The Parmesan. Quick little mix. Let's grab our pasta, drop that in. 2 minutes, stirring all the time. Job done. And there you go, absolutely delightful. Really simple, just put a little bit of parsley on the top for me. Yeah, simple, basic mushroom cream sauce pasta. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well, I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Hello everyone, an update about the cookbooks. Well, the first one is now finally available. It's on Amazon, you can get it in an ebook, $3.99, very cheap, 195 pages of wonderful food from the Indian continent. It's flicking by you right now. Do me a favor, do yourself a favor, and please buy that. It helps the channel out a great deal. It's also available in paperback if you want that. Check the link below this video. You can just click that, buy it. Thanks a lot. Lots of love.